So now let us see here. Identify the following circuit and write the name of the gate. Okay. So this gate is, what is this gate? Check it. Let us take the inputs are A and B. Now these inputs are connected to this gate, means this gate is a OR gate. OR gate. Now this is connected to a symbol NOT. The circle indicates NOT. So when OR is connected to a NOT gate, then this combination becomes NOR gate. Okay. Now this NOR gate is again connected to the NOT gate. Again connected to NOT gate. So the output becomes A plus B double bar. Means A double bar means A or not. Then you will get A plus B as the output. Okay. Next, second one. So this second one, inputs are A and B. What is this gate? NOT gate. Then you can write like this, A bar. Okay. Now this is connected to a NOT gate, means B bar. So now these are connected to this gate. Okay. Now what is this gate? Up to now this is OR gate. Up to now this is OR gate. So this OR gate will produce an output A bar plus B bar before the circle. Up to this now. Now after circle, then you will get what? A bar plus B bar whole bar. A bar plus B bar whole bar means A double bar dot B double bar by using De Morgan theorems. Then you can write like this. A double bar means A, B double bar means B. Then this gate is called what? AND gate. This gate is called AND gate. Okay. Now see the third one. The inputs are A and B. Now this is connected. This gate is called what? AND gate. AND gate. Up to this A multiply with B. A multiply with B. Now after circle means this is the NOT. Then you will get A multiply with B bar. A multiply with B bar. So this symbol indicates whatever the input here, this is the input. This is the input here. This is a junction. Now this junction, from this junction there are two inputs. This one as well as this one. Both the inputs will have same value, that is A dot B whole bar. A dot B whole bar. Now both the inputs are same, then output also up to this now the output also same. That means you will get A dot B bar. Then after circle, this B circle behaves as NOT gate. Then you can write like this, A dot B double bar. Then this is the AND gate. This is the AND gate. Okay. Next. So observe this circuit. This is the A, means up to this now A. This is also A. Up to this the output will come as A. Again this circle behaves as NOT. Then you will get A bar. Then this behaves as B, means up to this B. After circle B bar. Up to this is the AND gate, means A bar dot B bar. Then after circle you will get A bar dot B bar whole bar. Means by using De Morgan theorems we can write like this, A plus B. A plus B. Next, that means by using these two NAND gates we can construct AND gate. The construction of AND gate is with the help of two NAND gates. The construction of OR gate is with the help of three NAND gates. Now this gate is called what? NOR gate. That means A, B. That up to this A plus B whole bar. A plus B whole bar. Then this is the same input. This input and this input is same. Then you can write like this: A plus B whole bar. After that A plus B whole bar. Then you can write like this. Okay. Next, this is the A means this is also A, this is also A. Up to now the A will come. This is the A bar. So this is called what? NOT gate. This is called what? OR gate. This is also OR gate. Okay. Next, up to now this is A means up to this A, up to this B. After circle means A bar. After circle means B bar. This is OR gate. Then A bar plus B bar. After circle A bar plus B bar whole bar means A double bar dot B double bar. So you can write like this. That gate is called what? AND gate. So all these gates, these three gates what? This one and this one are the gates, NOR gates. So to construct in the skill they will ask question: for the construction of NOT gate how many NOR gates are required? 1. For the construction of OR gate how many NOR gates required? 2. For the construction of AND gate how many NOR gates are required? 3. This is the 1 skill bit, 3 skill bits. The construction of AND gate, for construction of AND gate how many NAND gates are required? 2. For construction of OR gate how many NAND gates are required? 3. This is your how to identify the circuit and finally which gate it is. Okay, this is very important. From this you can also write output based on the inputs. For every case the inputs you can observe like this: 0 0 1 1 0 1 0 1. Then from that you can write the output, and they will also ask like this waveform. Okay, thank you for watching. Please share to the maximum number of persons and subscribe my channel Sri Sai Physics for Mains and NEET.